Yeehaw! Another segment from Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
Yeah! I'm going to show you
this Azden microphone. It's a unidirectional stereo microphone. Mounts to your camera. I picked up at the local camera store called the Camera Corner. Imagine that. It's like Pappy's Corner. Got a little wind protector here, wind foam protector. I got this so that someday when I do get a camera that will mount my microphone right on it as it shows in this picture, then I'll already have the microphone. This audio cable I can plug right into my laptop and I can do voiceover on my videos I already have. So that's why I wanted it. It was $84.99. Generally I use it with my cooking videos. So I don't have to try and talk and discuss while I'm cooking and mixing things together. I just go ahead and do it and then I do a voiceover. Works great when you're maybe trying to do some things. I'll show you a couple of the features here on this. It's got the audio plug, of course. I want to get an extension for that so I can use it on my tripod and then run the plug to my laptop if I need to. It has an on-off switch here and a directional switch here also. So you can see that it has right and left pickup for stereo. I want to show you this mounting setup I have here. I can slide this light over and this microphone can mount on here like so. And so if I wanted to maybe do a video where I have my microphone right here, I can turn the light on. Switch here. There we go. Let me get back a little bit here. I'll show you how this might work. If it was dark enough you needed to see my face, I could use the light, or I could use a diffuser on here, which came with my light also. I have several options that I can do for mounting various things, and this is just one of them. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.